Are the dishes at the Cheesecake Factory expensive? This is really relative, isn't it? It depends on what you're comparing it to. If we're talking McDonald's or your local taco stand, the answer is going to be a hearty oh yes. But if we entail a comparison to a fine dining experience downtown, Cheesecake Factory might suddenly seem like a steal. First off, let's acknowledge their menu is the size of a novella. There's something for everyone, from glam burgers to pasta to, of course, cheesecake. But that variety doesn't come without a price. They've got to keep a lot of ingredients on hand, which could contribute to the cost. The atmosphere plays a role too. It's not a paper napkins and plastic forks joint. It's more upmarket. Think dim lighting, sizable booths, and an extensive cocktail menu. Remember, you're also paying for the experience. In numbers, you're looking at around $15-20 for an entree. If you tack on drinks, appetizers, or the eponymous cheesecake, the bill can escalate quickly. It's not fine dining, but it's certainly higher than your average casual restaurant. What ticks some people off is the calorie count, which can hit your wallet and your waistline simultaneously. Some meals could feed a small family, or at least you twice over. That can add value or indigestion, depending on your viewpoint. And let's not forget the location matters. Prices can vary broadly depending on whether you're near a high-rent district or a more modest neighborhood. So, is it expensive? If you're a bargain diner, quite possibly. If you occasionally treat yourself to a nice night out, maybe not. Here's the kicker, though. Unless you've won the lottery or have a metabolism akin to a hummingbird, you probably shouldn't be eating there every night anyway. Moderation, my friends, both in dining and spending.